205 TCC is one of the Hasselblad 200 series. Its focal plane shutters camera, that means the shutters in the body, and the lens just have the f-stop and focusing distance. The camera is controlling everything, like a shutter speed, f-stop. They have many modes, like A, D, C, or M. Today we were talking about just one exposure mode for the quickly use. The camera have the light meter inside, so no worries. Now it's set f-stop, and the shutter speed will be set by the cameras. If you have ever used the 35 cameras or the SLR cameras, you will be understand how the A mode is working. The warning when you use the CF lenses on the 200s or 2000 camera series should be set to the F mode, like this. I will not use the shutter speed on the lenses, we will be used on the body instead. The E12cc 6x6 film back, its meter can record by 12 exposures. It's very smart. It can be set film ISO here. In this case I use the Ektar 100, so I set up that to the 100. Another option is very interesting. I can increase the color contrast by plus up here, or I can decontrast by minus here. This is very smart functions that comes with the 205 series. Very low contrast here. The sky is very pale. Anyway, okay, I will try to show you how the difference between the telephoto and the normal lens, so you can see the difference clearly. Some perspective that we cannot see from the wide angle lens. So I recommend that you have to have 3 lenses in your bag, like a wide angle lens or normal lens and telephoto lens. Would be great for your journeys or your traveling. The 205 is very easy working. Just focus, finding the right composition, and then the camera will do it for us. 125 f11.5. The 205 TCC have the mirrorings built in the body. Will be set to the A mode. The FE lens series or the FE lens have the electronic connector here, so it can easily connect the data to the camera body. When I choose the A mode, f-stops selection exposure value will be appears. The f-stop at f8. Slightly press the button, the camera will be set to the shutter speed automatically. Now it's 180. We try the telephoto lens. Very slow speed when use the telephoto, so I have to lock the mirror up here and then shoot. I just want you to see how the A mode in the 205 TCC working and how versatile and how easy to use it. That is one point. But another point is I want you to see what's different between the normal lens and telephoto lens. We take pictures with the 80 mils, but it's hardly to use 250 lens. So I want you to see what's the telephoto perspective. Next time I'm going to be continue on the 200 series, 205, 203 or 202 FA or 203 FE or 201F in the next futures. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy the clips, and please advise or comments if you have some questions. Bye. See you next.